So welcome to the interior and another world's first by T Sportline. Specifically, this interior is the first Model 3 Generation 2 front and rear seats to receive our black leather interior kit with our black suede Insignia inserts in the seat backs. Also, this client decided not to go with the perforated seat fascia where you see those little holes, but actually has a smooth finish. Black stitching was used throughout just to continue with the theme. And to finish it all off, we went ahead and we installed our wood steering wheel. This steering wheel looks great, really livens up the interior and perfectly matches the dash decor. Continuing with the stealth Xpel film that was used on the exterior, we actually brought some also into the interior and applied it on the center console cup holder area and flip door storage cubbies. So now the shiny gloss piano black finish that was there is actually satin black. It protects it and also helps minimize fingerprints. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can share with you all of our upcoming exciting customizations coming your way.